Okay, let me just look down. Okay, you can go, Michelle. Limbering up here.
Cheerleading.
Get it?
She's a cheerleader?
No. Nope.
She's feeling it out.
You can do it, Michelle. It's okay. Sam will catch you when you come.
Look at the sky. It's green purple. It's gonna rain on you, and you're in that hole.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Babe, just go that way. See a little half pint? What do you... No. Babe, baby.
I can't do this first thing anymore. Can't do it.
Michelle, just go back in and get up on that side. Oh, it's gonna rain.
Definitely going to rain.
Michelle, just come back down here and run up this side. It's easier than this one. She just about fell. Oh gosh. Okay. We'll run through mud. It's a good one.